Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to help you drift off to sleep by reading to you from the technical manual of the 620 series protection relay. Let's begin. Overview. The 620 series is a product family of production relays designed for the protection, control, measurement and supervision of utility substations and industrial switchgear and equipment. The design of the protection relays has been guided by the IEC 61850 standard for communication and interoperability of substation automation devices. The protection relays feature draw-out type design with a variety of mounting methods, compact size and ease of use. Depending on the product, optional functionality is available at the time of order for both software and hardware. For example, ARC protection. The 620 series protection relays support a range of communication protocols, including IEC 61850 with Goose messaging, IEC 61850 92LE, IEC 60870 5103 Modbus, and of course DNP3. Product Series Version History. Product Series Version 2.0. New products. RAF 620 with configurations A and B. RAM 620 with configuration A. RET 620 with configuration A. Product Series Version 2.0 FP1. New configuration. RAM 620B. Platform enhancements. IEC 61850 Edition 2. Support for IEC 61850 92LE. Current sending support with IEC 61850 92LE. Synchronism and energizing check support with IEC 61850 92LE. Software closable Ethernet ports. Multi-frequency admittance-based EF. Fault locator. Profibus adapter support. setting usability improvements. PCM 600 and IED connectivity package version. Protection and control IED manager PCM 600 2.6 or later. REF 620 connectivity package version 2.1 or later. REM 620 connectivity package version 2.1 or later. Display. The LHMI includes a graphical display that supports 2 character sizes. The character size depends on the selected language. The amount of characters and rows fitting the view depends on the character size. The display view is divided into 4 basic areas: header, icon, content, scroll bar. LEDs. The LHMI includes 3 protection indicators above the display: ready, start, and trip. There are 11 matrix programmable LEDs and 16 programmable push buttons with LEDs on the front of the LHMI. The LEDs can be configured with PCM 600 keypad. The LHMI keypad contains push buttons which are used to navigate in different views or menus. With the push buttons, you can give open or close commands to objects in the primary circuit. For example, a circuit breaker, a contactor, or a disconnector. The push buttons are also used to acknowledge alarms, reset indications, provide help, and switch between local and remote control mode. The buttons and LEDs are freely programmable and can be configured both for operation and acknowledgement purposes. That way, it is possible to get acknowledgements of the executed actions associated with the buttons. This combination can be useful, for example, for quickly selecting or changing a settings group selecting or operating equipment, indicating field contact status, or indicating or acknowledging individual alarms. The LEDs can also be independently configured to bring general indications or important alarms to the operator's attention. To provide a description of the button function, it is possible to insert a paper sheet behind the transparent film next to the button. Authorization. 4 user categories have been predetermined for the LHMI and the WHMI, each with different rights and default passwords. The default passwords in the protection relay delivered from the factory can be changed with administrator user rights. If the relay specific administrator password is forgotten, ABB can provide a one-time reliable key to access the protection relay. For support, contact ABB. Audit Trail. The protection relay offers a large set of event logging functions. Critical system and protection relay security related events are logged to a separate non-volatile audit trail for the administrator. Audit trail is a chronological record of system activities that allows the reconstruction and examination of the sequence of systems and security-related events and changes in the protection relay. Both audit trail events and process-related events can be examined and analysed in a consistent method with the help of event list on LHMI and WHMI and event viewer in PCM 600. The protection relay stores 2048 audit trail events to the non-volatile audit trail. Additionally, 1024 process events are stored in a non-volatile event list. Both the audit trail and event list work according to the FIFO principle. Non-volatile memory is based on a memory type which does not need backup battery nor regular component change to maintain the memory storage. Audit trail events related to user authorization, login, logout, violation remote, and violation local are defined according to the selected set of requirements from IEEE 1686. The logging is based on predefined user names or user categories. The user audit trail events are accessible with IEC 61850-8-1, PCM 600, LHMI, and WHMI. Table 4. Audit trail events. Configuration change. Configuration files changed. Firmware change. Firmware change fail. Setting group remote. Setting group local. Control remote. Control local. Test on. Test off. Reset trips. Setting commit. Time change. View audit log. Login. Log out. Password change. Firmware reset. Audit overflow. Violation remote. Violation local. PCM 600 event viewer can be used to view the audit trail events and process related events. The protection relay supports a range of communication protocols, including IEC 61850, IEC 61850-9-2, IEC 60870-5-103, Modbus, and DNP3. Profibus DPV1 communication protocol is supported by using the protocol converter SPAZC. Operational information and controls are available through these protocols. However, some communication functionality, for example, horizontal communication between the protection relays, is only enabled by the IEC 61850 communication protocol. The IEC 61850 communication implementation supports all monitoring and control functions. Additionally, parameter settings, disturbance recordings, and fault records can be accessed using the IEC 61850 protocol. Disturbance recordings are available to any Ethernet-based application in the IEC 6025524 standard COM trade file format. The protection relay can send and receive binary signals from other devices using the IEC 61850-8-1, where the highest performance class with a total transmission time of 3 milliseconds is supported. Furthermore, the protection relay supports sending and receiving of analog values using goose messaging. The protection relay meets the performance requirements for tripping applications in distribution substations as defined by the IEC 61850 standard. The protection relay can support 5 simultaneous clients. If PCM 600 reserves 1 client connection, only 4 client connections are left. For example, for IEC 61850 and Modbus, all communication connectors except for the front port connector are placed on integrated optional communication modules. The protection relay can be connected to Ethernet-based communication systems via the RJ45 connector, 100 base TX, or the fiber optic LC connector, 100 base FX. 2.5.1 Self-healing Ethernet ring. For the correct operation of self-healing loop topology, it is essential that the external switches in the network support the RSTB protocol and that it is enabled in the switches. Otherwise, connecting the loop topology can cause problems to the network. The protection relay itself does not support link down detection or RSTP. The ring recovery process is based on the aging of the MAC addresses, and the link up, link down events can cause temporary breaks in communication. For a better performance of the self-healing loop, it is recommended that the external switch furthest from the protection relay loop is assigned as the root switch. Bridge priority equals 0, and the bridge priority increases towards the production relay loop. The end links of the protection relay loop can be attached to the same external switch or to two adjacent external switches, and a self-healing Ethernet ring requires a communication module with at least 2 Ethernet interfaces for all production delays. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that reading of this technical manual. If you have managed to get this far without falling asleep, I would like you to let me know in the comments by commenting IEC 61850 can kiss my ass. IEC 60870 for the win. I hope to see you all again. If you have enjoyed it and you have not already, if you feel like I deserve it, please like and subscribe the channel. I wish you all the very happiest of evenings.